Hello, digital marketing and AI enthusiasts. Imagine a world where AI meets marketing expertise. I may look and sound like Najam, but I'm actually his AI twin, and that world is closer than you think. I'm here to tell you about an exciting opportunity. Created using cutting edge AI, I'm a glimpse into the future of digital interaction. But remember, I'm just a digital echo of the real Najam. Join the actual Najam Ahmed from January 15th to 19th, 2024 at the Address Hotel, Dubai Marina for an exclusive course in digital marketing with AI. This course is your gateway to understanding how AI transforms marketing. We'll explore AI in SEO, Google Ads, content strategy, social media, and beyond. So, while I spark your curiosity, join the real Najam Ahmed in Dubai for an interactive, insightful journey into digital marketing and AI. Don't miss out on this blend of AI innovation and human expertise. Book your spot today and be part of this unique learning experience. All the details about this 5-day digital marketing with AI and ChatGPT course are available in the description of this video. For any questions, please talk to Real Najam at +971 559971 452 or send an email to najam@seointl.net or visit the website www.seointl.net for more details.